Performing shipment transfers and sub-inventory transfers can be done with the wizard too. If you have inter-org transfers that are direct, you can do the entire transfer, but in this case here we have an in-transit shipment. We just choose that from our transaction type list of values, the organization it's going to, and of course a shipment number here. We can also put in an expected receipt date. The following transaction is a sub-inventory transfer. And you can see here these are the items that we're moving. The sub-inventories, the sub-inventory 2, and the locator information if the locators are being used. And we can just simply upload this data. And these have successfully gone into the interface table, and then we can just press the refresh button and we'll see they've been accepted.